Hey guys, it's AJ Clayson with Drunken Science with Benjamin Schild. I'm still looking for Ben. Ben! AJ! Where is Ben? AJ. Oh, there he is. He's always hiding over there. Alright guys, so today we are doing a... What did you call it?
Hi. Hey, oh whatever. So what we got here, we've got some common things at a bar. We got Bloody Mary mix and a little bit of bleach.
That's a common thing at a bar?
Well, yeah, they have Bloody Marys because people drink them, and bleach to clean stuff.
Okay.
You clean stuff with bleach. But if you mix them, anybody have a light on their phone? My phone's
no, wait,
dead.
I think we needed to introduce our new member.
Yes, we have a guest guest scientist. This is my friend Emily. Say hi.
Say hi to all of our tens of fans.
Hi, tens of fans!
Hey, I think we might have dozens.
You have
Maybe.
at least one.
At least one. Now who's that?
This is Carly.
What's up?
Say hi, Carly. Say hi, Melanie.
Hi, Carly.
And that person in the blue will be blurred out later on in the episode.
He doesn't like associating with us. So, why don't you explain since it's your experiment?
Hang on, where to start?
Okay. So,
Do you have a napkin, a bar napkin or something?
It's called your
no.
pants.
So the tomato juice, tomatoes are red because of a chemical called lycopene. It's just really long, complicated,
He said pee.
lycopene.
Oh, he said peen.
Don't steal my line, bitch.
And when you mix bleach with it, it messes with the way the chemical is bonded. It brings in new atoms and breaks old bonds and changes the color.
So basically you have a whole bunch of double bonds next to each other. And
Okay.
these electrons live.
Now what's in that glass?
This is tomato juice.
That's tomato juice with the bleach,
With the
and
bleach.
you've completely bleached the color out.
Yes.
Okay.
But see, what we're trying to do over on this side is we're trying to do it more slowly. So,
Dump it all on top.
and so if you do it right, because of how thick and heavy tomato juice is, remember our stacking liquids video?
Yeah, I remember that. Do you guys remember that? That's the real question.
So over time, if you just pour the bleach on top and don't stir it, it will change to like 4 different color gradations because it changes the density of the liquids as well.
Little by little?
Little by little.
Okay.
This is kind of ugly, and it's not just tomato juice, it's got like pepper and other stuff in there, so that's why you see floaties.
Right. So what we're trying to do, we're still on kind of a density kick, aren't we?
A little bit. There's density involved in this, but it's more about, apparently there isn't density involved in this.
Ah.
Emily knows more than I do.
Our new drunk person, scientist, right?
Guest scientist of the week.
Now who's our science groupie of the week?
Spectrum starting.
You can look, you can see the color change starting.
When can I drink it?
You can't drink it, it has bleach.
When can I drink it?
You drink it, you will die.
It's sometimes you can get a spectrum, sometimes you can't.
On another episode of Blossom.
Can you get,
Like being, I can drive. Drunk and drying like.
I don't even have to keep my birthday present.
flashlight on.
Oh yeah.
You'd have to
Okay,
start
Google.
What's that?
There we go. Now you can see better. So you can see the colors are starting to change.
Should have diluted the bleach.
Science!
Oh, that's really cool, actually. That's really, really cool.
And this one you can see is much more bleached out. But as we go on, this line is going to get lower, and hopefully we'll get more than just the 2 colors.
Take the light back just a bit.
So basically what's happening with
Well,
this is
a
you
little.
have the chemical structure of lycopene. And it's a big long 31 carbon chain deal. And it has lots of double bonds. that are not right next to each other, but kind of are. And what happens when you have these conjugated double bonds that are kind of next to each other is the electrons actually dissociate, and they live the entire length. And red light is lower energy than yellow, or blue, or orange, or green. So theoretically, what happens is the bleach at the top will react with a whole bunch of molecules, and it'll cut it in multiple places. And that will make it so that it takes more energy to break the bond. Kind of based on the each side equals E side. Anyway, because of quantum mechanics, longer bonds absorb can absorb lower energy wavelengths. So if you cut it in one place, you have lower energy from here to here, but you'll need higher energy to break one of these bonds, or to excite the bonds, not break them.
Gotcha.
But the bleach will actually interrupt these conjugated double bonds, and so it won't absorb as long of a wavelength.
Very
So,
cool.
as the bleach moves through, it will disrupt so many bonds. I think if we dilute it, you'll get a gradient.
That's bleach.
Yeah, just make sure nobody drinks it.
I was gonna go get clean.
Well, then take it to go
Oh,
get clean.
it's plenty clean.
Anyway,
course it's clean,
so
it's
if you
bleach.
do it right, you can get a nice rainbow in here and see the different lengths of conjugated double bonds.
That makes a lot of sense.
So if it was like pure tomato juice instead of Bloody Mary mix, it might work better. Also, if we had
Well, when they leave stuff up to the last minute, you know, that's kind of what we have to work with. So we apologize about that. Again, remember, we're always live.
yeah, and we are always struggling. You know what I had to do? I had to make a new email address just for this show and set up a PayPal account just for this show, so fans can give us 15 cents
If people want
if they
to,
like it.
be sure to share, like, and share some more, and subscribe.
Yeah.
We're
all
on the
that
Aqua
stuff.
Events channel. It looks like we've kind of got a lot of different random things, but we're acting like a normal channel. We have different shows on, you know, on one channel.
Geek and sundry we ain't.
Yes. Oh, here we go. More bleach.
It's not a fast thing. Dilute it a little bit.
There you go. You can kind of see some of the blue shade in there.
Oh, you
Yeah, maybe a little bit of blue in there. Anyways, maybe we'll try this again sometime.
We're gonna do a revisited on
Yeah.
a lot of our different experiments from this season. From the 10 through, or the 11 through 20
however many
or
we
whatever.
get to. Yeah.
Anyway, guys, thanks for stopping by, watching Drunken Science with,
Benjamin Schild
and
and our guest scientist Emily.
and your host as always, AJ. And let's thank our groupies here. Anyway, any last thoughts?
Science
Drink it,
responsibly.
drink bleach.
And if you're doing chemistry, don't drink it, Carly.
Why?
Anyway, guys,
Because death.
as you heard, science responsibly, and always ask your bartender before performing any experiments. We love you guys.